It's here. Is that what I think it is? Oh my goodness. What is that? What is that? It's Joe Gambino's king cake! Alright, we're gonna unbox it. We gotta look at the box first. Joe Gambino's Bakery, 1949. Tell you the truth, yeah, I'm covering my address. No doxing here. Alright, but tell you the truth, I tried to do this last year, but the Manny Randazzo's whatever king cake was soggy and tastes like shit. So that's why we are trying Gambino's this year. I wouldn't even post the video. I had to add my own sprinkles to it. It didn't have the crunchy sprinkles. It was a donut. It wasn't a king cake. But yeah, anyway. That's my rant. Check out my new Daryl's merch. Best sandwich in Lake Charles, Daryl's special. Check out the back here. Can't tell if you can see it, but yeah, it's my Christmas gift from my folks. Daryl's special, Lake Charles. Best sandwich of your life. It's up there with Mother's Faraday special, all right? Check it out. All right, let's carve up the box. This is dangerous. Alright. Hang on, I'll get it. Oh, the unboxing! Drum roll, please! Oh, I can smell it. It smells good. Oh, it has more address labels. Hang on. And here is the unboxing of the Gambino's King Cake 2020. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's some lady. Mardi Gras, cool, 2019. Good year, good year. How to decorate your king cake. Oh, great. Do it yourself. Fuck you, Gambino. Fuck you. Gotta be shitting me. Gave us our own icing. Well, Eleanor got the baby last year, so I think she'll get a kick out of decorating it, but smells good, but yeah, some assembly required. We'll come back to you once it's done. Okay, so here are the instructions. So yeah, cut the end of the icing bag, put icing around the cake and spread with a spatula or spoon and knife, and then put a third purple, a third gold, and a third green. That is how we're gonna make this king cake.
Wait, it's a circle?
Eleanor is getting the frosting ready by making it into a cylinder shape.
She's kneading it. K-N-E-A-D.
Here's to you, Gambino's. There's good king cake.
If none of us have the baby, then it's in there. Go get food.
Lincoln is eating his king cake with a spoon. This was a good king cake. I put it up there with Haydel's. It's between this Gambino's and Haydel's now. That's what it is. good. It's got a kick to it. The inside is moist. It's good, guys. Yeah, it's been 3 or 4 years since I've had Haydels. It's tough. It's between Gambinos and Haydels. It's been 3 or 4 years since I've had Haydels. So I'm going to have to try Haydels and see which one's the best. Good job, Gambinos. Strong finish. Day 2. Now I'm leaning towards Haydels, guys, and I'll tell you why. It's just, there's not a lot going on in there, you see?
Yeah!
I don't know. I'll put in the comments. I can't remember, but I think Haydels is the current champion out of Randazzo's and Gambinos. Just go to Haydels.